just finished work, headed to a different gym that I normally go to, and I'm going to go do a spin class with one of my coworkers. Her and her sister were going, and I wanted to try one, so I figured I could just go with them. It's something I wanted to try for a while, but I'm not sure if it's gonna like hurt my back, so I just wanted to like pay for one class and try it before I like commit to a membership or anything. So that's what we're doing. We are both like kind of nervous because we've never been before. Her sister goes all the time and she likes it, so we're gonna go for the first time and try it out. It's only a 30-minute class. I think it's like a beginner intermediate class. I'm sure when you see me next I'll be a lot redder. It's at the YMCA and it's only $11 for like a drop-in class, so that's not bad. And if I like it and it doesn't bother my back, I might consider getting a membership here next time and just go after work if they have the after work classes. So yeah, I'll check in with you after. Just got home. We did spin class. I found it very, very difficult, and it was only 30 minutes, so I'm hoping the more I go, the easier it'll get. My butt really hurt, and everyone said that, like, your butt will really hurt. But like my quads couldn't do it, so like I was trying to stand up to give my bum a break, and then like I couldn't. I was just like falling down into the chair. And there was a lot of people there that were very like double my age probably and doing really well, so I feel like that's motivation for me to go back and do better. My face still looks really red, but home with Chip. I just fed him, and I'm gonna grab a shower, and then we're gonna go over to my mom's for supper. I have to fill out my passport a little bit more before I can send it off, and I'm gonna go over there and do that and have supper and take Chip for a walk over there. If I have a little bit of a lisp, it's because I have my retainer in, but I want to end the vlog here because I'm going to edit this video and go to bed. So if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up, scroll down, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me, and I'll see you tomorrow.